What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and today we're making one of the juiciest burgers you can bite into. That's the ranch burger. These things are cheesy, delicious, packed with flavor, and dripping with juices. This is a throwback classic. When I first moved down here, one of my buddies had a pool party and we made ranch burgers. Now, we were horrible at cooking and we had no idea of how to cook, and it was dark. So yes, we didn't see the fact that we were still eating raw beef, but needless to say, we still ate them. We didn't get sick and we're still alive today. So who knows? But they were very much raw. And I may have ate more than everybody else, but that's beside the point. We're making ranch burgers. Simple, easy, great for that backyard barbecue. And if it's raining, I have my inside grill that grill my burgers instead of having to worry about going on the grill. It's not going to be charcoal flavor, but it's still going to be the same. I'm going to be making some onion rings today to go with this. So let's get started. So with these onion rings, I have preheated my oven. You want to help me? I preheated my oven to 425 degrees.
900.
So I'm going to pop these in my oven.
Make the
onion rings will stay in the oven for about 17 minutes. So hopefully we're going to be wrapping everything up then. So, what's this?
And now we got our
This is beef.
beef.
Yep.
Beef comes from a cow.
It does come from a cow. So we got some ranch seasoning from the ranch seasoning pack.
Yeah, and a what? The whole thing?
That should be good. Salt.
I'm gonna do that one.
Some seasoning, salt, all-purpose seasoning. Here, do this one. That's good. This is that was Flavor Bomb by Weber. Flavor Bomb burger seasoning. It is great. And this is whiskey burger rub.
No.
Pepper.
Yeah.
So I did see this thing on the internet where this guy was talking about how do I get my burgers to be the best they ever are. And he says when he seasons his meats up, he puts a little bit of the mayo in there. If it's true or not, I don't know. But I do know we're going to try to find out today. And then if you got gloves on, go ahead and glove up. And we're going to mix in our meat. Now, with every good burger, you need to have a can of dog food to go on said burger.
Dog food.
Also known as chili.
Yeah.
So we'll spray our pan.
Did I try?
Yeah, just grab some. This is Applewood thick cut bacon. The bacon.
Now.
Put it into your oven. This is my indoor grill. If you've been on this channel before, seen my videos in the past, you have seen this. And this is my indoor grill. Bam.
It's cracking like an egg.
Yep.
It's down like a cut.
Get nice and hot. So now.
I did it.
So we got our grill going. Getting our bagasse nice and cooked. So this is how you tell. So if you come around here, what you want to look for, you can start seeing the sides start cooking on the sides. That's how you know they're going to be ready to flip soon. So whenever you're grilling, whether inside or outside, and you're not quite sure, you can actually look at the sides, the ridges over here, and you can tell as it starts cooking through, you can start seeing it elevate on the sides. And just a simple ranch packet seasoning, the flavor elevates these burgers. I remember the first time I ever had it, I was like, wow, that's good.
Oh, that kind of burnt.
Like people like on their burger?
Yeah.
Pickles.
Pickle, yeah. I want pickle on my burger.
I figured you would. What I'm going to do next.
Cheese. I'm going to put the cheese. I'm just going to drop it on it. So. Okay.
Here, you want me to show you how to do it?
What's that? Can you see that?
Yep.
And you just touch it. I just do that. I just touch it too.
Yep. Buns. So we're going to toast these buns and get them getting toasty. So my air fryer does have a toaster mode on it. So I'm going to toast my buns. All right, so we have our buns. They are good and toasted. We got some lettuce here. Of course, some pickles.
It's not like that pickle. It's not like that pickle.
Okay. Burger. Onion ring. Ketchup. And some barbecue. I almost messed up. The bacon. And a little bit of chili. Can't forget the chili. You want to come taste test, Jerry? Good. We're going to wrap it up, get everybody served up and fed up. Go ahead and make this. Ranch burgers, easy, 10 out of 10. And y'all, with that, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you will, I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.